Achoo. Hey, I said achoo.
Okay, cool.
Aren't you forgetting something?
I don't think so.
I sneezed, and you're supposed to say bless you.
Dude, saying that doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it does. If you don't say bless you after someone sneezes, they will die.
Don't be ridiculous. That's not how.
No, Fred! I guess I should have listened to him.
Remember, kids, if you don't say bless you after someone sneezes, they will die, and it will be all your fault. Don't do this to yourself. Say yes to saying bless you. Subscribe to Far Off Features.